Differentiation of Lambert W function. But before we go to differentiation, it's necessary to know what Lambert W function is. So let's say we have f of x equals to x e to the power x. In this case, it will not be possible to find the inverse of this function. So that's why we defined f inverse x to be a Lambert W of x function. And how is that helpful? So basically we can find out the Lambert W of x series. We can find the series expansion of Lambert W of x, and that's why, like, let's say if we have to solve this equation, yeah, in that case we can just do x as Lambert W of 2. Yeah, and now use some standard calculators like Wolfram alpha or series expansion to find the value. So that's how it's helpful, and it's also known as product log as well. Lambert function is also known as product log of 2, because if here is e to the power x, we will have called it log. Now since here's x times e to the power x, it's also called product log function. And now we are ready to begin. So another like convention is since we say f inverse x as Lambert W of x, that's why f of x can also be told as Lambert W inverse of x. Yeah, this one is just inverse, so you can say this also as inverse. So Lambert W inverse of x is actually e to the power x. Yeah, this can also be told. Now we have to go to differentiation. So let's say we have y equals to Lambert W of x. Now take Lambert W to other side. That gives us Lambert W inverse of y equals to x. Now we know that Lambert W inverse is just x e to the power x. So this is just y e to the power y equals to x. Yeah. Now after this, let me just move it down. Okay, now after this, we can basically differentiate both the sides. So here we will have a chain rule that gives us partial derivative of y, that will be 1 e to the power y, yeah, plus, okay, so first of all we will have our dy by dx e to the power y plus y times e to the power y times dy by dx. In the other side we will just have 1. Yeah, we have this one, it's product rule, dy by dx e to the power y plus y times e to the power y times dy by dx equals to 1. We have differentiated with respect to x. Please note that, with respect to x. Now after this we can write dy by dx. No. Okay. Now we can take e to the power dy by dx common, and that will give us e to the power y plus y times e to the power y is equals to 1. Now dy by dx will be equal to 1 by e to the power y plus y times e to the power y. Yeah. Now we know that y is Lambert W of, sorry, what is y? Let me first clarify. Y is Lambert W of x here, and y to the power y is x. Yeah, we will use this to find the derivative in terms of x, and that gives us dy by dx is equals to 1 by y is Lambert W of x plus y times e to the power y is x. So this is the derivative of Lambert W function, because y is, now we know that y is Lambert W function, so we can just write like this: d dx of, in place of y, write Lambert W of x is equals to 1 by x plus e to the power Lambert W of x. This is the answer. Yeah, and I hope you got that. So derivative is actually equals to 1 by x plus e to the power Lambert W of x. That's the answer, and hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you also found out how Lambert W function will be helpful. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.